Imagine a world where a thought isn't just a thought, but a spoken word, instantly. For millions living with conditions like ALS, this isn't science fiction. It's the promise of Neuralink's Voice Project. This groundbreaking initiative is developing brain implants designed to restore speech, transforming lives by bridging the gap between intention and communication. The technology works by decoding neural signals associated with the intent to speak, then converting those signals into synthesized speech. Patients like Kenneth Schock, who lives with ALS, have already demonstrated the power of this innovation, communicating through a computer program that voices their thoughts. The Nun implant, roughly the size of 5 stacked quarters, is surgically placed in the motor cortex. Ultrafine threads with over 1,000 electrodes detect neural activity, transmitting these signals wirelessly. Advanced AI then processes this data, translating brain patterns into phonemes, the smallest units of sound, and assembling them into full sentences, while still in its early stages. With ongoing clinical trials like Prime and Voice, the potential is immense. The goal is real-time translation, allowing for seamless, natural conversation. This isn't just about technology, it's about restoring a fundamental human connection, giving back the ability to share thoughts, feelings, and stories. The journey is complex, but the vision is clear: to empower individuals to communicate with the speed of thought, offering a new era of independence and connection.